台湾看世界，来看伊朗这个国家的总统，甲因的外交部长坐直升机到伊朗的边境访问，会场的时阵，搭到无过盘山过岭，结果发生着坠机的事故。美国有线电视新闻网 CNN 的专家来指出，讲这个失事的机型是伊朗二顶一个世纪70年代甲美国购买的，机能老旧，而且维修有问题。再加上伊朗的领导人有可能无顾到歹天气，硬要坐这个直升机，安尼叮叮塔塔因素，所以造成这个意外。
伫透风国兼落西半暝，亚洲电啊要找失联的直升机，伊拢派出超过40组的救援队，伫大高蒙的山区伫找人，也不过天气真歹，要找人，这个行动是真困难。
When an aircraft like this goes missing and it's in an inaccessible area, then it makes it really difficult for search crews to get there, especially if they're hampered by things like fog and rain and some really falling temperatures.
伊朗总统莱希19甲阿塞拜然的总统阿里亚夫伫两个边境启动大排计划，想要到几点钟后，这个莱希坐直升机因为天气问题，地势讲坠落。经过了解，莱希的机队是由3台直升机组成的，其中2台拢安全降落。就敢若总统莱希甲外长所坐直升机伫过山岭的时无细致坠毁，9个人拢无人活。
Anybody who is responsible for transporting VIPs has to have their safety as the top priority. Now that VIP may have said, take me regardless of what the weather is, you can make it. That's possible. That has happened before, and then unfortunately they pay the price for that kind of thing.
CNN 的专家认为讲，伫伊朗这个威权的国家，领导人的命令上大，有可能要求机师伫无适合飞行的时阵飞行。 另外，失事机型贝尔212是美国甲加拿大生产的，欧美长期制裁，指出讲伊朗下袂着原厂的零件，只能呢补来补去，也是家己仿造，指出讲透射率不好。
If it were to impact, let's say, a mountain like this one, the debris field would be really large potentially, and that would cause a lot of difficulties for the search people, and especially when it comes to trying to find things like black boxes.
伊朗所求的单位第一时间向失事地点派出救援直升机，也毋过因为天气有够歹，无度降落，只能挖靠4送的车辆进入山区，趁天光时赶紧搜索找罹难者，并且收集直升机的残骸。
Hello， 我是蒋欣梅，想要抢先掌握最及时的新闻资讯吗？赶快订阅、按赞、开启小铃铛，锁定华视新闻 YouTube 频道。